Have you ever wondered what really happens when you ask an AI a question? It feels instant, silent, almost weightless. But behind that smooth response is a massive invisible machine, one that burns through energy every second of the day. As artificial intelligence grows smarter, faster, and more connected to our lives, it is quietly becoming one of the most power-hungry technologies in human history. And the world is starting to realize something uncomfortable. The energy systems we rely on today may not be enough to support the intelligence we are creating tomorrow. This is why AI is forcing us to look again at one of the most misunderstood sources of energy on Earth: nuclear power. When you talk to AI, you're not chatting with a brain, you're triggering vast data centers filled with thousands of processors. These machines run nonstop, processing images, voices, predictions, and patterns at unbelievable speed. The smarter AI becomes, the more power it demands. Training modern AI systems can use as much electricity as entire towns, and once trained, they never stop working. Every search, every image, every automated task keeps those servers alive around the clock. The problem is not tomorrow. It is happening right now. Power demand from AI is rising faster than any other digital technology in history, and traditional energy grids are struggling to keep up. Renewable energy is essential, but it has one critical weakness. It depends on conditions we don't control. The sun sets, the wind slows, AI does not pause. Hospitals still need diagnostics. Traffic systems still need intelligence. Global networks still need real-time decision-making. AI requires constant, uninterrupted power. Even brief outages can cripple systems that operate financial markets, medical tools, logistics, and global communications. This is where renewables struggle. They are clean, but not always available. Intelligence, on the other hand, never sleeps. Nuclear energy is one of the few power sources capable of delivering enormous amounts of electricity continuously without carbon emissions. One facility can generate more clean energy than thousands of acres of solar panels every hour of every day. For AI, reliability matters more than anything. Nuclear power does not depend on weather, daylight, or seasonal cycles. It creates a stable heartbeat for digital intelligence. While data centers expand and algorithms become more demanding, nuclear power offers something no other system can guarantee: steady power at massive scale. We often celebrate AI as a tool for climate research, efficiency, and sustainability, but few realize that if AI growth continues without a clean energy foundation, it could become a major contributor to carbon emissions. More servers mean more electricity. More electricity without clean sources means more pollution. Here is the paradox. AI is helping fight climate change, yet it risks accelerating it. Nuclear energy breaks this contradiction. It allows intelligence to expand without dragging the planet down with it. Nuclear power carries fear because of its past: accidents, waste, politics. But modern nuclear technology is not what it was decades ago. Today's systems are smaller, safer, and more tightly regulated. Some are being designed specifically to power industrial operations like data centers. The real danger may not be nuclear power itself, but avoiding it while AI grows unchecked. Intelligence without infrastructure becomes instability. Every major leap in human progress was powered by a new energy source: fire, coal, electricity, oil. Artificial intelligence is the next leap, and it is demanding a power source worthy of its scale. Nuclear power is not the future of AI because it is perfect. It is the future because it is dependable, clean, and strong enough to carry the weight of intelligence we are building. AI is no longer a tool. It is becoming a layer of civilization itself, guiding healthcare, transportation, security, science, and communication. But intelligence cannot float in the cloud forever. It must be grounded in reality, powered by something strong enough to sustain it. The question is no longer whether AI will change the world. It already is. The real question is whether we are brave enough to build the energy systems needed to support the intelligence we are unleashing.